This is the $400 YSL Yves Saint Laurent Advent Calendar. Happy holidays! I have been waiting so patiently to open this with you guys so that you can get my honest first look opinion and reaction. This is the YSL $400 25-day advent calendar. I really need to feel some holiday spirit. It's all hot and toasty around here, and I need to feel like it's Christmas, okay? Without the snow, without the Santas everywhere, but I can control my advent calendar, okay? So let's open it up. You've seen my Harrods advent calendar. If you haven't, go check that video out. But this has been so long awaited. I have kept it boxed for you guys, and it has just been like burning a hole in my living room. And I didn't even look at what's inside here in the description, because you can actually fully look up what's in here when you're putting it in your cart, but that's not fun. I'm going to open it up one by one. And actually it has everything that's in here on the back, but we're not gonna look at that either. Here it is. And then I believe you open it up, yes, this way. Now it is open, so you can see that it has 25 little boxes that pull out, which is actually nice because you don't have to like ruin the packaging. You can actually keep it how it is even after you have looked at what's inside. Also, I'm noticing that the numbers aren't even in order. Like, for example, here's 1, and then here's 3, and here's 13. And they're all different sizes, so that makes it really fun. But okay, so we're gonna go one at a time. I'll go over what it is real quick. Starting off with number 1, here we go. Okay. Ooh, is this a lippy? Oh my god, their packaging is just great. Let's see, YSL. In box 1, I got a mini lippy. It is called Rouge pour Couture. And it's like a little mauve brown. Let's see, I don't have a ton of color on right now. You're not gonna be able to get a good sense. This is how it came off on my hand. It's almost a little orangey brown, which I love because I like to do orange eyeshadow with my blue eyes. Yay. And it's a nice size, right? Especially with mini bags. Moving on, where is 2? Here we go. Ooh. All right, so this is a waterproof eye pencil. Of course, the packaging is immaculate. And it is like a real legit pencil. I don't know if this is an irrational fear, but does anyone else get afraid that they're gonna get a, what are they called? Splinter in your eye? I don't know. No one put that in my head. I did, so. Okay, 3. 3's up here. We're not to any of the big ones yet. Ooh. This is the Black Opium perfume. Again, it's the packaging for me. Wow. Look at this in the middle. If you can tell by me moving, I don't think you can, but that's the perfume. So you're seeing the liquid move around, and it's beautiful, glittery. Really, okay, so it's not a floral scent. Really, the only way I can describe this is sexy. And I know that that's not very helpful, but that is what comes to mind. It just is a very sexy scent. Like, I just think of black tights and the YSL heels. It's very sexy. And I got way too much on me at once, but. Okay, what's next? Ooh, another lippy. Oh, I think this is one of their, like liquid jelly lip gloss things. Oh, I've had this before, I think. Oh, wait. So this is the Rouge de Lèvres. I forgot what that means. I think that means lips in French. I don't know, it's been a while. But it just says lipstick, and it looks very much like traditional lipstick. Ooh, that is very bright. Here we go. Let's do a little swatch. Wow. So it is a little glossier than the other one that I showed you, so, and less matte, but that'll be fun. It's not my typical, I'm not very bright like that, but it'll be fun to, you know, play with it in a small size. All right, 5. Ooh, she's thick. Do you see how big this one is? These drawers are deceiving. Okay, so it says the slim on the outside, which I just bought a slim in the airport in LAX, and this looks full size. And I'm kind of thinking that 21 looks familiar for the shade, so I'm hoping it's a little different. I think it's the exact same shade that I already have. Hold on, let me go look. Wow, what are the odds? Okay, because I don't even buy lipstick like ever. I like only wear it on occasion, but this is the lipstick that I bought at LAX, and then this is the lipstick that I just got. So it is full size. The packaging is a little different, which is interesting. Same shade, 21, which, I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I do love this color red, but it would have been fun to get something that I didn't already have, but that's on me. That's on me. On to 6. Where are you? Ooh, another tall one. Okay. Another perfume. So this one, I guess, must be just called Y. Okay, and this looks like it's going to be a spray, which is nice. I'm kind of like still smelling the other scent. Where should I put it? Ooh, ooh. This almost smells like a cologne. This one's so interesting because it smells very floral, but then it also has that like musky teak wood. I love that. Like it smells like the cologne that I would typically love anyways, but then it also does have that floral scent, so like it does feel feminine. Wow. I really love this. This packaging is deceiving because it's so plain. Wow, I really love that. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot what number I'm on. Look how cute this box is. Okay. Ooh. So it says Pure Shots Hydra Bounce Lotion Essence. So I'm gonna assume that this is just plain lotion. I'm not gonna lie, when I see Hydra Bounce, I think of a hair conditioner. This is a kind of a weird texture for a lotion. It's like oily. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna have to look up what that one is to make sure I'm using it properly. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of this scent. It kind of smells like old lady-ish, and there's nothing wrong with that, but I'm just like, I don't know, it's not for me. But I have to say, out of 8 boxes and only one of them being like not that great, I'm doing pretty good. 9, we have a flatter box. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, so this says Rouge Pure Couture the Bold. I don't know if this is gonna be matte. It's the shade 1971. I'm intrigued. I think I already, so on day 1 I got this one. Okay, so we're growing. Interesting. So we have a dark red, like almost a berry. Like there might be like little hints of purple in there, but it looks like a dark red. 10. Ooh, this looks like another lotion maybe? Oh, what is this? This is their Expert Makeup Remover, Gentle Biphase. Very cute. I will definitely be trying this. I'm actually out of my micellar water, not that that's like the same thing, but this is good. Moving on to 11 is this tall one right here. Rouge Volupte Shine Oil and Stick. I think this is what I was talking about a while ago. Okay, shade 121. I hope this is what I've had before. And again, I just want to note that there's been lots of full-size items in here. Not that there shouldn't be for this price, but yes! Oh my gosh, okay, y'all. This is the best lip product, and it even looks like the shade that I freaking had before. Oh my god. Okay, well, again, we're marveling at the packaging. Okay. Oh, ooh, I think it might be a little darker than what I've had before. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm gonna freaking love this. It looks like mauve, and it's really sparkly. I don't think you're gonna be able to see on camera, but these things go on like absolute butter. I saw Alex Earl talking about these, but I already know about those years before she mentioned it, but it just, like, it's not a lot. Like, it honestly looks like a lip gloss, but it just is so, like, the best quality. Like, this is what I would say, like, go buy. Like, without, yeah, just, it's amazing. You're gonna see me wearing this in, like, every upcoming video. I'm so glad. I was hoping one of these would be in here, and it's full size. 12. Here we go. There's a lot of sticks in here, I'll say. Ooh, what is this? I have not seen this type of packaging before. Yes, okay. A mascara volume. Nice. I have never tried YSL mascara. This is a pretty basic mascara applicator, so, you know, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. It's black, but okay. We'll try it. We'll try it later. 13 up at the top. Got another box. Let's see. Ooh, tuxedo. Oh, how cute is this? I think this is going to be maybe a masculine smell. I don't think I like it. So on the outside, it says in French, spices. Maybe it's because I have a whole bunch of the other perfumes on, but it almost smells like a spicy alcoholic drink, and I'm not really into it. We're gonna give it another fair try later, but 14. All right, I'm sensing another lippy. This is another mini. Oh, ooh, this is a sexy red. Ooh. Okay, hold on. This is my day 1. And this is my day 14. Okay, very different. I like it. I like it. We love a pinkish and a red. 15, I almost skipped it. My lips are gonna be covered for the rest of the year, let me tell you. Oh, no wait, ooh, what is it? What is it, Lash Clash? Lash Clash? This is pretty too. It's nice and matte. This one looks a little more expensive, like it's supposed to have a job. So that's good. I like that. We always love mascara because we're gonna buy mascara anyway. Okay, another tall one. Ooh, more perfume. I'm gonna be smelling good and have lipstick on for the rest of the year, apparently. I don't know if it's even possible to smell a different scent at this point. This is a huge sample. Okay, so it says La Nuit des Hommes, so the night of man. I will say, I don't know if all these scents are boy scents or intended for like boys, but the names imply that they are for male. But then again, YSL is home of the first women wearing blazers, so maybe there's a point to that. I don't even know what I can... I don't know about this one. I don't know, but also, like, I got so many smells right now. Also, a good thing about advent calendars is you can, you know, if you don't like it, you can give it to somebody else. Stocking stuffer. 17. What is this? Okay, this is the Eau Rouge La Crème Essentielle. So this looks like an expensive skincare cream that would otherwise be like $80 if it was not in here. And it's a little tiny sample. Smells kind of orangey, looks kind of orangey. I'm assuming that this is just like a night cream or a hydration cream. I'm not gonna waste any of that now because I don't have a lot of it and it looks like it's an expensive product, so I'm gonna enjoy that. 18, yet another lippy. I hope it is another lip oil. Ooh, oh, it's an oil and stick. Okay, not going to freak out. The color is nude lingerie. I love a freaking nude, and it's gonna be in this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all don't understand the hype. You can't understand the hype from here, but like, oh, once you wear it, I'll show you in another video. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy I got 2 of these. Okay, yay. I'm just realizing that I skipped 7. And 7 is my lucky number. 7 is another Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. So the other Pure Shot was that mystery seemingly hand lotion. That was a little oily and weird. Oh, I did not expect it to be liquid. I thought it would be a cream. It almost looks like a vitamin C serum. It says shake well before use. Okay, so upon further examination, it says moonlight cactus flower and glycolic acid. Okay, back on track. 19. We're nearing the end. Oh, another Pure Shot soft polish double essence. This is so vague and mysterious. Like, when I put that on, like when I see like soft polish, I do not think to put that on my face, but like, what else do you do? Yeah, I'm gonna have to look up the Pure Shots, you guys. Okay, 20. Oh my goodness, it's another perfume. I'm not complaining because like I love that and they're expensive, and I think that this is a nice way to try different scents without having to get a big old bottle that lasts you way too long. But I can't smell them right now. Okay, so this is called Mon Paris or My Paris. So cute. Let's see. This looks more girly. This is very vanilla-y. Very cutesy. I like this one. Okay, 21. Okay, this looks like another Pure Shot. Yep, Pure Shot Eye Reboot Concentrate. This is also Moonlight Cactus Flower and caffeine. Interesting. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, interesting. So it's like one of the squeezy. Okay. Cute. We'll have to try her out. So I have like some little night routine items. 22. Ooh, what is this? It's very heavy. It's very flat and rectangular. Wow. Goodness, I guess it's a mirror, but like look at the back of that. That is gorgeous. But then the back is just a mirror. There I am. My concern is that it's gonna get scratched up because there's nothing on this side of it. But wow, that's pretty. I kind of just want to, I don't know what I would do with it, but I keep it like that. Second to last day. Oh my god, another perfume. This is Libra. Wow, okay. This is like a work of art. Oh, beautiful. All right, let's do this. What is that? Oh, it's like, you know when you smell something and it just like sends a memory to your brain but not all the way, and you're like, what is that? I don't know. Wow, I don't know why this one like almost wants to make me cry. I don't know what this is. Well, I don't know if it's like just honeysuckle smell or just, wow. This isn't gonna be descriptive at all, isn't gonna help you out, but this one just smells luxurious and happy and nostalgic. Last but not least, the biggest box, day 24. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was 25 days. I'm just now realizing this. Why didn't they go to 25? That's so random. You just go to Christmas Eve if you celebrate Christmas, or anywho. Not to complain, but this is a rather big box to just have another lip that you've been having in other ones. Okay, so this is another Slim, 1966. Okay, so at least I will have one in a different color. Let's see. It seems slightly darker than what I already have, maybe. Yeah, I mean, it's slightly darker. I mean, no, it's clearly two different shades, but okay, I'll take it. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. Hopefully if you were thinking about getting it for yourself or a loved one, you can decide whether or not you like it, or maybe you just had the enjoyment of opening it with me. It was truly like opening up 24, holiday gifts on Christmas Day. I totally enjoyed myself. I felt like a little kid, and now I get a whole bunch of presents to try.